Economic interpretation of duality. This is most important question for 16 marks. Dual variable have an interesting interpretation for the cost or economic point of view. To illustrate this point, let us consider the following diet problem. The following table shows the amount of two vitamins V1 and V2 per unit present in two different foods, the F1 and F2 respectively. Vitamins are V1, V2, food is F1, F2, 7, 9, 14, 10, cost per unit is 12, 15, daily requirement is 70 and 90. The last row of the table represent the cost per unit for the two foods, whereas the last column represent the number of units of the minimum daily requirement for the two vitamins. Our problem is to determine the minimized quantities of the two foods so that minimum daily requirement of the two vitamins is met and that at the same time the cost of purchasing of these two foods is minimum. To formulate the problem mathematically, let x1, x2 be the number of units of food F1, F2 to be purchased. Then the above problem is to determine two real numbers x1, x2 so as to minimum of z is equal to 12 x1 plus 20 x2. यहाँ पे गलत दे रखा है 12 x1 plus 15 x2 subject to 7 x1 plus 9 x2 greater than equal to 70. 14 x1 plus 10 x2 greater than equal to 90, where x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. Now let us consider the problem which is associated with the above problem. Suppose there is wholesaler deals who sells the two vitamins V1 and V2 along the other commodities. The local shopkeeper purchase the vitamins from him and from two foods F1 and F2. The dealer knows that the food F1 and F2 have their market values only because of their vitamin contents. The problem of the dealer is to fix the maximum per unit selling price for the two vitamins V1 and V2 in such a way that the resulting price of foods F1 F2 do not exceed their existing market price. The selling price are generally known as dual price or shadow price. The worth of the resources. To formulate the problem mathematically, let the dealer decide to fix up the two prices W1 and W2 per unit रिस्पेक्टिवली. जो हमारा डीलर है उसने हमारा प्राइस फिक्स कर दिया W1 and W पर यूनिट रिस्पेक्टिवली. Then the dealer problem can be solved mathematically as to determine two real numbers W1 and W so as to. Then इसका डुअल क्या बन जाएगा? डुअल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? मैक्सिमम ऑफ Z स्टार इज इक्वल टू C ट्रांसपोज W, A ट्रांसपोज W लेस देन इक्वल टू B ट्रांसपोज where W greater than equal to 0. Now C transpose is B transpose W, A transpose W less than equal to C transpose. B transpose is 70 W1 plus 90 W2. Subject to A transpose is 7, 14, 9, 10. So यहाँ पे आ गया 7, 14, 9, 10. 7 W1 plus 14 W2. 9 W1 plus 10 W2 less than equal to C transpose. C transpose में क्या आएगा? 12 and 15. ये हमारा C है और ये क्या है हमारा P. So 12 and 15. So less than equal to 12 and 15. W and W2 greater than equal to 0. So लास्ट में डीलर ने क्या किया, प्राइस को फिक्स करके W1 W2 लेट कर लिया और जो हमारी प्राइमल प्रॉब्लम है उसको डुअल में चेंज कर दिया. नाउ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ dual simplex method. In general, we are not always find a dual feasible basis. There are many practical problems for which the initial table in neither primal feasible nor dual feasible. In the initial table, neither optimality nor feasibility is declared. In general, the simplex method is preferred over the dual simplex method from solving a given LPP. However, there are instances when the dual simplex method has advantage over the primal simplex method. Various applications of the dual simplex method illustrated. First, it eliminates the introduction of artificial variable in the linear programming problem. हम क्या करते हैं, डुअल सिंप्लेक्स मेथड में क्या करते हैं, आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल्स को इलिमिनेट कर देते हैं. सेकेंड इज इन इंटीजर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम. थर्ड इज इन सेंसिटिव एनालिसिस. इन सेंसिटिव एनालिसिस, when the right hand side vector bi changes over when new constraints are added. If the newly added constraint is not satisfied by the optimal solution, the problem remains optimal but it becomes infeasible. The dual simplex method can be applied to clear the infeasibility. Fourth is in parametric programming. Fifth is some non-linear programming algorithms. So dual simplex की एप्लीकेशन क्या होगी, हम आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल को रिमूव कर देते हैं. इंटीजर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम, पैरामीट्रिक प्रोग्रामिंग, सम नॉन लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग algorithm. Now importance of duality in linear programming problem. Duality has an exactly important and interesting feature of linear programming. The various useful parts of these property are: first is if the primal problem constrains a large number of constraint rows and a smaller number of variables column, the computation prostitute can be reduced by converting it into dual and then solving it. Calculation of the dual checks the accuracy of primal solution. Last is duality has application in economics, physics and other fields also in economics. Dual variable provides the decision maker a business for deciding how much to pay for additional units of resources. जो हमारी डुअलिटी प्रॉब्लम है वो किस में यूज होती है, इकोनॉमिक, फिजिक्स एंड अदर फीचर्स. ये हमारी जो डुअलिटी प्रॉब्लम है वो हमारी इकोनॉमिक्स में यूज होती है. और ये किस में यूज होती है, डिसीजन मार्कर ए बिजनेस फॉर डिसाइडिंग हाउ मच टू पे for additional units of resources. Next is dual problem. Dual variable equal the marginal values of resources. The total marginal value of the resources equal the optimal value of the optimal objective function. Fourth is duality is used to solve LPP by the dual simplex method in which the initial solution is infeasible. Duality किसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, टू सॉल्व एलपीपी बाय यूजिंग डुअल सिंप्लेक्स मेथड, जो हमारे इनिशियल सोल्यूशन क्या होता है, इनफिजिबल.